my fit fam, it is your girl Chantel, and I am a certified personal trainer. There are a lot of talks about HIIT, high intensity interval training, being the best kind of cardio workouts that you can do. If you're not familiar, it's basically when you go really hard for about 30 seconds and then you say you rest for like 20 seconds and then you go really hard for 30 seconds and you do it in intervals, right? High intensity, you bring your heart rate all the way up and then you lower it to bring your heart rate all the way up. And some people will swear by this, saying that it's the best way to burn fat, is the only way to burn fat. If you do steady paced cardio, you're not going to be burning fat. But honestly, y'all, there are a lot of studies out there proving that low impact cardio can give you better results than high intensity. And it's proven that when you do high interval training, when you exert yourself and you go really hard, you need a longer time to recover the day after. So say on Monday you do your high intense interval training and you go really hard and you burn about 500 calories, and then on Tuesday your body sore up, you pop down, you do not have the energy to go to the gym because you're sore, as rightly so, you did a great workout on Monday. Tuesday, you have to take a break. Wednesday, you still feel a little bit sore, but you can't go as hard as you did on Monday. So instead of burning 500 calories on Wednesday, you end up burning, say, 200 calories, right? So that's what, 700 calories in the 3 days. As opposed to you do your low impact intensity training, you can go for a longer time. So you burn about 250 to 300 calories on Monday. Because you're not as paying up, you can go again on Tuesday. You burn another 250 calories on Tuesday. That's 500 right there. Then Wednesday, you're not sore, so you can go again. You can give yourself, you can give all your energy to it because it's low impact. It's not hurting your joints. It's not hurting your muscles. You don't feel like you need to run a ice bath when you're done. You can go again on Wednesday, burn another 250 calories. That's what, 750 calories there. Again, Thursday, you still have the energy. You can go again. No, I'm not saying, don't get me wrong, because I'm not saying high impact interval training HIIT is not good, but it is not the end all be all as some people will make you think it is. I have spoken to so much self-proclaimed fitness experts because they watch a little video or they see a headline of something and somebody puts HIIT in their head and then they swear by HIIT and say, if you're not doing HIIT, you're not serious about your weight loss, you're not going to lose fat, when it's not necessarily so. It might work for them for a short period of time, but remember, we are looking for something we can sustain. We are looking for something that can be a lifestyle for us. Fitness is a lifestyle for us. Can you sustain the impact of high interval training? How many years do you think you'll be able to jump and hop and skip and do the exertion that high interval training require you to do without it impacting your joints, without it impacting your muscles? Now, if you are someone who really like interval training and you find it work for you, but you realize that you're sore, you pain up after, and you realize that you have to take extended period of time, try the low impact workout. Or even if you want to mix it, even if you want to say, okay, on Monday I'm gonna do high interval, on Tuesday I'm gonna do low, on Wednesday, mix it up. But this concept of having to do high interval training every time you do cardio, it's not necessarily true. And remember what I talked about in previous videos about risking too much break. So if you go Monday, you break. Tuesday, you go Wednesday, you break. You're not programming your mind as someone who consistently goes to the gym, because your mind is getting used to the break. Your mind is familiar with you taking a lot of break, and you are going to fall back in your habits. You are going to fall back in your patterns of someone who does not go consistently to the gym. So in order to break that pattern, we have to get your mind in a place where you go to the gym. And the best way to be consistent at something is to stay consistent at it. Meaning the best way to become someone who consistently goes to the gym is to consistently go to the gym. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, in the gym. If you're going to take Friday, Saturday, Sunday off, say, okay, It's the weekend you condition your brain to say, I don't go to the gym on the weekend, but during the week, gym, back to back to back to back. Instead of taking Monday, Tuesday break, Wednesday, Thursday break. No, your mind, it's too all over the place. It's too all over the place. And I went over that in details in my last video. So basically, high impact interval training is great, but it might not be for everybody, because you'll need a break between, and you're trying to stay consistent in the gym. So it might not be for everybody. It might not be for you. All right. As I said, and I'm going to always say, the best way, the surest way to slack off in the gym is to find something you dislike. Do something you dislike. If you hate feeling sore the day after, and trust me, I do too. I hate feeling sore to the point where I can't even walk. You're not going to want to stay consistent. You're not going to like that feeling. You're not going to chase that feeling. So you're not going to be going to the gym often. So it is best that you find something that you can enjoy, where so it's not going to push you to the point where you have to take the break after, or push you to the point where you don't feel like going. So find something you enjoy. Try low impact training. And remember, because we are trying to get to the point where we go to the gym every day, you can go to the gym on Monday and say you lift heavy, you do your strength training, and then Tuesday you go to the gym and just walk or do the elliptical or something light. So that way you're still resting your muscle that you tore from your strength training, but you're also still going to the gym consistently. All right. So leave your thoughts in the comment section. Let me know what y'all think. Okay.